Awesome, welcome back. So today we're gonna work on the WordPress client, but first we're gonna work on my goals that we have to do, which is arrays. I'm gonna select two methods of arrays. We're gonna practice a little bit, and from that note, we're gonna also work on um, other stuff. So yeah, maybe it's better to actually put it on the next screen. So the undocs. Okay. My internet is very slow for some reason. I'm not sure why that is. Actually, my browser is not responding at all. Let's see what it is. Took too long to respond. Is it me? Let me see. Oh, that's not good. Checking the proxy. That is not good. That doesn't look good. Okay, let's try another browser. You have multiple ones, so we can see how this is running. Okay, not running. So it's not a browser issue, and also I cannot connect. Do I have connection? Yes, I do. But I do have drop frames. And let's try again. What does it say? No internet? Network is unreachable. I'm pretty sure it's here. Very strange. Hmm. I've never seen it like this. Okay. It seems to be working, to be honest. No drop frames anymore. Damn it. Let's see if my internet works on my mobile. It does work on my mobile. Okay, so we have an issue on the client. Um, I'm not sure what's going on. Timeout. Okay. Let me see if I can ping anything. Um, how do I do this again? Okay. Let's see if that works. CMD. Ping google.com. Okay, so I do get the replies. So why is my browser not working again? Oh, it's working suddenly? No idea what went wrong. Okay. That was extremely weird. Let's work on array. Okay. Let's see. Find. Let's see. Okay. The find method of array instances returns the first element in the provided array that satisfies the provided testing function. If no value satisfied, undefined is returned. If you need the index of a found array, Use find index. Okay. If you need to find the index of a value, use index of. Okay, so it's similar to find index, but checks each element for equality with the value instead of using a testing function. Okay, we need to think about that a little bit. Mm, okay, do I still have drops? I do not. Okay, and I can get people. Alright, so if you have an array, that's what it says. So um, let R be 1, 2, 3, and then we say R dot find 2. Let's see what it gives me. So Control Alt N. Okay, we have an issue. 2 is not a function. Okay, let's do it again. Yep. Type error. 2 is not a function. Okay, so it needs some kind of other satisfaction. Okay. And the error is 2 is not a function, so it asks me a function. Okay, element. And if the element is equal to 2. Okay, and let's clear output and let's try it again. Okay, let's console log that. Clog uh console, maybe log something. Console log. Okay, let's see. And if I'm gonna say 5, it's gonna say undefined. Okay, so you can do something with this. You can store that value if you find it, else you're gonna say undefined. Okay, you can do something with this. Anyways, let's continue. Okay. Okay. Truthy value. Examples. Find an object in an array with one of its properties. Cause inventory. Okay. So an array of objects. Name apples 182. And then function is cherries fruit. Is cherries fruit. Return fruit name is cherries. Okay. Oh, you can then use that one. Okay. Using array functions and destructuring. Mm, find name. Name is identical to cherries. Okay. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. Okay, great. Okay, let's see. Find the first prime number in the array. Okay. Function if n is equal to false if n cannot be can be divided, then return 4. Okay, blah 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 blah. And then is prime, and then you find the first prime number. Okay. Using a dirt argument. Using a dirt argument. Number index array. Okay, this is a function. The array argument is useful if you want to access other elements in the array, especially when you don't have existing variables that refers to the array. The following use filter to extract the positive values and then uses find to find the first element that is less than its neighbors. Okay. Okay. Pretty tough example. Okay. But we are focusing on how we should do it. So, okay. So this is going to be the find method. Okay. Great. Let's go here and let's go to find, which is part of the array, non-mutatable, needs to match, and uses a callback function as an argument. Okay. Why am I doing this? This should not be. Stupid. Okay. I know what I'm doing, but it has nothing to do with that. Okay. Okay, so let's put this as an example. Okay, great. Now we have the other one as well, that we can do an arrow function. Okay. Okay, great. We're just gonna name this find. So let's go to the desktop and let's go to array images and we're gonna name this find. Paint cannot save the file. Save as inverted, so your file was not saved. Find. Okay, great. Now, let's go to the second argument, which is going to be join. The join method of array instances creates and returns a new string by concatenating all of the elements in the array separated by commas or specifying separator string. Specify separator string. If the array has only one item, then that item will be returned without using a separator. Okay, I wanna also write one. Console log elements dot join, and I just wanna use a space. Let's see. Okay, that maybe I can do it like this. Okay. Okay. It's pretty obvious. Okay. If the array length is 0, the empty string is returned. So okay. So let's assume this. Elements is not defined. Okay, let's do this. Sorry. Okay, so it returns an empty string. The string conversions of array are joined into one string. If an element is undefined or null, it is converted to an empty string instead of the string null or undefined. The join method is accessible internally to prototype by the string with no arguments. Overriding join of an array instance will override its string behavior as well. Okay, but we do know the string behavior, so the next thing what we're gonna learn is then string behavior. Airport recursively converts each element, including other arrays, to strings. Because the string is returned by airported to string, which is the same as calling join. Okay, they are almost the same. Does not have delimiters. Nested arrays. Okay, I'm not sure what this sentence means. Oh, okay. Here it says only first level. So we have a matrix. So if we put a, okay, let's go here. So if we put an extra level here, then that one won't work. It does. That sucks. Oh, no. Oh, I see. I see. Uh, no, I don't see. Here it says, okay, let's check it again. Const matrix, and here it says, okay, deeper levels always use the default comma. Yeah, but this is not necessary. And yeah, okay, I get what you mean. Okay, okay, I understand. When an array is cyclic, it contains an element that is itself. Browsers avoid infinite recursion by ignoring the cyclic reference. Okay. Joining array 4 different ways. Join. Okay. Mm, so something that I have to know is that it doesn't. Um, okay. Okay. So basically, what it's saying is that it only works on the first level. Yeah. Reset. Okay. So let's then make some pictures. Let's go to paint. I think it's best if I do it here, and then we have the other one. Let me see. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Like this. And what I want to say is that only first level and avoid dupe when browser. Okay. Okay. So let's do this green and let's do this smaller, like 16. I think it's best if we put it here. Yeah. And we're gonna call this join. Join. Alright. That was it for this part. Let's go and do some WordPress. Alright. Let's log in. Let's see if the client verified the email. Probably not. Did not do it. I knew it because clients are fucking lazy. Let's go. Let's go to WordPress admin. Alright, and let's go to the website. Visit site. Alright. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna remove this one. Okay. Great. Um, let's see how it looks on mobile first. Probably worse, but that doesn't matter. You know, this is a free client because it's a friend of mine, so I'm not gonna put in too much effort, right? Let's be honest here. You have to be grateful. But many ungrateful people, so Gray Wolverine 187304 dot hostingersite.com. Okay. The network connection was lost. 187304 hostingersite.com and a connection was lost. Start again. Maybe it's me. My internet has been acting up a little bit, so okay, let me see. Okay, I cannot open it on mobile for some reason. Not sure why. Mobile menu is not working. That is a big problem. That is a big problem. Anyways, so the first thing what we are going to do is finish where we left off. So, alright. And that is this section. And what I want to do, I just want to make the background overlay of this column. Let's go to style, background overlay. I just wanted to there's no background overlay. Oh, I see. In that case, let's go here then. Let's go here and let's go to style. Okay, and it's black and it's 0.8. Okay, so let's apply the same styles. Okay, let's go here and let's see if we can remove the styles. How did we do that again? Reset. Okay, back on overlay. On normal, we're gonna do this. Make it black 100% and okay. And there's something else I did here probably. Let's see. Let's go to background overlay again. And okay, so it is 100%. It's background overlay. It's 0.8 and the blend mode is normal. And here, what I have, color is 0. Okay, so the color doesn't exist. So what is going on here? Is it on? Ah, I see what's going on here. So this image can go, and on normal mode, we want to apply this image. Okay. And obviously we have to do like center and uh, let me see what I put here. Default cover. Okay. Default cover. Okay. Looks good. Yeah. Great. Let's go to the second one. We're not gonna. Maybe we're gonna do that. That's fine. Let's go to the buttons actually. Yeah. The type. Okay. There are multiple types. Okay. Let's go to style. And let's go to typography. Set out text color. I actually want to apply to all buttons, but I'm not sure if it exists, so it's fine for now. Okay. Let's go to typography, text color. Oh, that's too white. I think I did white smoke. Okay, let's do everything white smoke then. It's no issue. So text color, white smoke. Good, 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 good. Now, this one is, let's say 10 years of experience, I have more than 50 branch. Okay. We're not gonna fill everything in, we're gonna make everything nice and then we're gonna fill it in. Okay, this one can go, actually. So, let's go here, let's go to the column, let's go to this heading, and let's hide it. Okay. Also this one, let's see what happens. Not sure why that is here. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I'm a bit annoyed about this color. Let's go to style. This specifically. Let's go to column. No, let's go to token icon box. Okay, it's a bit. It seems like it is some kind of. There's something going on here. Okay. Okay. So this is a global style. Let's actually see how it looks here. Okay. Okay. Great. Yeah, I really want to work on this column. Okay. Just don't know how to enter that. So let's go to site settings. Global colors, font field, additional settings, space suggestions, lightbox, layout. Okay. I cannot find it. Let's work on the night light a bit. Okay. Okay, this is a heading, and this is the icon box. Okay, box, alignment, content, color. No, I cannot change the color. Okay, it's a special kind of SVG, icon box, H4, content. There's no custom CSS. Hmm. You have to think about it for a little bit. Okay. Okay. Let's go to background. Let's also do this one. Great. Great, 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 great. Yeah. Okay. So I also want to edit this one, which is not this one. Okay, next section. Yeah. Okay, this column. Do I have it? Okay. Great. I wanna go to style. I'm gonna go to background type, and I want to. Mm, okay, I'm not sure about that. Let's turn off the night light. Okay, it's pink. Let's not do pink to be honest. Let's do manage manage this, and let's add a color, and let's do orange. Okay. Okay, I like this. Save changes. Let's turn on the night light again. Let's go back. Okay, instead of this color, I want to this one. Mm, okay, let's edit this one. Let's go to style. Let's go to the background and let's do team color 1, and then this text is going to be not typography advanced. Come on. Okay. Layout. Text stroke. Normal. Hover. Text color. Okay. Got it. White smoke. How about we also do this orange? Okay. Okay. No hover state. Good. Yeah. Okay. Let's work on this one. Okay. Let's go to style. We have color. What do we have? Text color. And text color should be white smoke. Great. Now let's do this one the same. Let's go here. Let's go to the text color. do white smoke. Also, let's go here and let's go to style. Let's go to text color. It's going to be white smoke. Great. Okay, publish. Okay, there are some images that are not working. Okay. Uh, okay, so I'm curious about this. Now let's go here. So let's go here. Is this a video? Oh, it's just an icon. How about height? And when it comes to the column, let's go to the background. Background type. I don't see a background. That's not good. Okay, let's go here. Okay, here's the background. Full cover. Okay, and we have a background overlay. Yeah, okay, that could be a little bit like 20. Sure. Yeah. Great. Okay, we have a problem here. It seems like this image does not work. Why not? Let's publish and refresh the site. Okay, it still doesn't show up. So let's redo that then. So let's go to the image and then select. Okay. And let's choose image. Select. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Okay. Okay, that is a bit of an issue. Okay, publish. View page. Okay. Work on this. Okay, I understand what's going on here. So it is a video. And when you click on it, So when you unclick, I want to remove this. Okay, great. And I also want to remove the play button. Okay, great. And now what we're gonna do, go here. We have a column, and this column is going to have another image. Okay, no image showing up. It's a bug. Not sure what's bugging. Let's do another image. Okay, this whole section can go. Okay, white smoke. Okay. Okay, we have 8 minutes left. So let's definitely push publish, and let's see how it looks. View page. I hide this. Why is it not hidden? I I've hidden this. So I also want to hide this whole section. Okay, great. Okay, that does not hide it. Okay, good to know. So what we're gonna do instead then, we're gonna delete the whole section. Delete. Okay, publish. Because we're not gonna do a block. Okay, looks good. Let's check the other pages. Wait, let's go to WordPress. Okay, let's go to pages. And do we have about us? We do. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, there's not a lot of things that I want to change here. So go here. Okay, so this icon box, I want to change it. Let's go to here. Let's go to the background. And let's go to this one. And then in this icon box, we also have an icon. Right, let's see this icon here. There's a way to change that. Okay, white smoke. Okay. Great, that looks good. Now we do the same here. Style. Not this accent, I get it, but we're gonna do this accent. We're gonna delete this whole section. So definitely not need that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna create this whole section. And we're gonna create this whole section. We're gonna make it okay. See, text color, white smoke. Same, white smoke. Alright, this one, white smoke. Text color, white smoke. Great. So that's that. Okay, publish. Let's go to another page. Okay, we have about us. Okay, let's do that again. Let's go to pages and let's go to what do we have? Or surfaces. Okay. Um, okay. So we're definitely gonna delete this one. Yeah. And the button seems to be cool. This is a problem. So let's go first here. And we have like, oh yeah, okay. Let's do this one first then. Let's go this one. Okay. This icon can be deleted. And I think this one also. Yeah. Alright. And I think the background. Let me see how I can select it. Okay, background. Okay, advanced. Make responsive, custom CSS layout. How did I do this again? I think it's here then. No, it's not here. Okay, section itself. Okay. Background overlay is gonna be 0.3. Maybe 0.2 even. Yeah. Okay, publish. Okay, that is it for now. Yeah, that was great. That was a little bit of editing, right? Alright, guys, talk to you soon. See you later.